Have you ever felt like you're trapped in this endless loop, watching one trading strategy video after another, hoping for that aha moment, but still not seeing real change in your results? Yeah, I've been there. It's frustrating. Over the past 2 years, I've been fine-tuning a strategy that's completely shifted my trading game. This isn't just another copy-paste method that you've seen 1,000 times before. It's different. And if you're stuck right now, just hang with me for a few minutes, because by the end of this tutorial, I'll show you not just how it works, but the actual backtesting and forward testing results, plus multiple ways to fully automate this into a bot that does the work for you when you're away. We're diving into a scalping strategy that works amazingly well on both crypto and Forex markets. It's designed to shine in low time frames, especially the 1, 3, and 15-minute charts. But through testing, I've found that the 3-minute chart offers the absolute sweet spot in terms of signal clarity and risk-reward balance. And the tool that powers this strategy is called the FTS Swing Arm Trend Indicator. The name is a bit of a mouthful, but once you get it dialed in, it becomes incredibly intuitive and powerful. Let's get into the setup so you're not overwhelmed. Since we're working on the 3-minute time frame, we're going to set the indicator to track one time frame higher, which is 5 minutes. That's our first little trick. You want the indicator to respond to more macro signals while you're trading microwaves. Now for the settings, leave the trail type exactly where it is. The default works perfectly. For the ATR period, go ahead and bump that number up to 10. Just type in 10 and you're good. Leave the ATR factor at 5, it's the magic number here. No need to adjust it. Then head over to the Style tab. A cluttered chart is just confusing, and we don't want that. Let's make things nice and clean. First, turn off all the trading elements. We don't need them. Then make the extreme line a bit thicker so it stands out more. Trust me, this will help a lot visually. Next, turn off these 3 options. They just add unnecessary clutter. Do the same for this 100 line here. Then move on to the LS series, LS1, LS2, LS3. Turn those off too. And finally, remove the SS lines, SS1, SS2, and SS3. Boom! Clean. Now for the background fill options, we're going to turn off the first 2 completely, but for the third one, crank up the opacity a bit so it stands out. That last background is helpful for tracking directional bias visually, so we want it to be clearly visible. At this point, your chart should look way cleaner and it will be much easier to spot signals. Let me walk you through how the indicator actually works. It's designed to highlight the general trend by using something called ATR, or average to range. In simple terms, ATR measures volatility. If the price is jumping around a lot, the ATR goes up. If things are calm, the ATR is lower. This helps the indicator adapt to market conditions dynamically. It then uses that information to draw the swing arm line, a visual guide to the trend's direction. If it is green, we're trending up. If it's red, we're heading down. This color change is the first clue that something might be about to happen. But don't jump into a trade just because you see a color flip. That's where most traders mess up. The swing arm line flipping is your early warning. It tells you, hey, something's changing, but you still need confirmation. That's where the external dots come in. These dots form the second layer of this strategy. Now, if you see just 1, 2, or even 3 dots, ignore them. They are noise. What you're really looking for is when 4, 5, or more dots stack up and form a kind of a staircase or barrier. That's what we call a valid external level. So here's how we trade it. When the swing arm line flips from red to green and we see a valid external level forming, we wait for the price to break above that level. Only then do we enter a long position. This shows us that momentum is backing the trend reversal. If we're going short, the process is reversed. Wait for the swing arm line to flip red, find a valid external level below, and enter when the price breaks beneath it. That's our clean, high probability entry. Now let's talk stop losses. You can go fancy with swing highs or Fibonacci, but I prefer to keep it dead simple. For the long position, place your stop loss right at the green swing arm line. For short, drop it right at the red swing arm line. This keeps your risk tight while letting the trade breathe just enough. Targets. This part's huge. We aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So for every dollar you risk, you're aiming to make $1.50. Through extensive backtesting, this ratio has proven to offer the best win rate and profitability over time with this setup. It gives us space to absorb occasional losses while letting the winners run just enough. But if you want to learn how to make way more than that, make sure to watch the video until the end. In just a bit, I'll show you the actual backtest results over hundreds of trades and even some forward testing on live data. You'll see how consistent this system really is, not just in theory, but in real charts, real market conditions.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
As you can see, the results are speaking for themselves. What else would you want? But I didn't stop there. I'll also walk you through several ways to fully automate this strategy. Whether you use TradingView alerts, webhook integrations, or third-party bots, you'll be able to turn the system into a trading machine that works for you, even when you're away from your desk or sleeping. So before we wrap up, make sure to check out the recommended videos on the screen. I mentioned some earlier in this tutorial. Deep dives on automating strategies, Fibonacci entry zones to maximize your profit factor to the limit, and more advanced tips to take this even further. This strategy is something I've worked on for years. Now it's yours. Test it, automate it, make it your own, and I'll see you in the next one.